Hi, welcome to 94 Buffington Street in Fall River. I'm going to be showing you this 3-bedroom apartment. The owner is looking for $1,600 a month, first and last to move in. The first room that we're in is the living room. Very good size. It has gas baseboard heat. It is carpeted and it is on the first floor, so it helps with the coldness in the winter. The next room I'm going to take you in is the eating kitchen. It does have the older style cabinets. It does come with the refrigerator and the stove. Plenty of room to put a kitchen table to make it the eating kitchen that you need. If you follow me, we're going into the first bedroom. And in this bedroom, we do have a closet. Definitely would fit a twin, full, or a queen size bed with smaller furniture. It does have a nice closet for your extra stuff and a little coat rack. Second bedroom, no carpeting. Really cool looking closet, pretty deep. Does have a little light switch for extra storage. Great to put your bins in when you're switching out your clothes for the seasons. And we're gonna travel through time. Check this out. If you love this color, you'll love this bathroom. The tub is going to be refinished. With a little bit of paint, you can make this look amazing. Good sized bathroom. It's got a little linen closet, so you don't have to run out to go grab your towels. The third bedroom, they are going to be putting a custom-made door here to close it off. Very spacious, lots of sunlight, and it has a beautiful fireplace that you can just decorate. It is not a functioning fireplace, so if you're interested in this apartment, the 3-bedroom on the first floor, please go to rentandfallriver.com and schedule your showing.